about to watch our screencast on how to get a permanent residence permit in Russia. Let's go.
All right, so here's the commercial offer for getting the residence permit, or as we call it in Russia, VNG. Okay, so right now you can get your VNG for forever. Basically, the idea is that you have to have certain legal grounds. So let's check these legal grounds over here. For example, if you have a son or a daughter who is Russian citizen, then you can apply directly for the permanent residence permit, VNG, skipping the stage of obtaining the temporary residence permit. So you can check these legal grounds here. By the way, for example, it could be a red diploma, right? So if you would graduate with a red diploma, the diploma with honors, then again, you can skip the stage of getting the temporary residence permit and apply directly for the permanent residence permit issued forever. About the work, if you work under a certain position for more than 6 months, you can apply directly for a permanent residence permit. So, okay, let's check the advantages here. Basically, I would say that you'll be almost Russian citizen, except you cannot vote. So let's check the stages of our work. As usual, we'll sign the contract in terms of reference. Then we need to collect certain documents. And of course, the package of documents depends on your legal ground. For example, if we're talking about red diploma, then we'll need certain documents from the university, for example, the license of the university and the accreditation of the university and your diploma. For instance, let's discuss the work legal ground, right? So in this case, we'll need certain documents from your employer, from the company, from the LLC. For example, the contract, the workbook, so-called трудовая книжка, certified and stamped by the employer. All right, so let's go further. Yes, you can see these are the additional documents that we'll need on a certain legal ground. So we'll prepare these documents and we need to submit them to the immigration authority. So of course you'll be accompanied by our English-speaking lawyer. The migration authority will check our package of documents, and if something would be wrong, then they will refuse to accept this package of documents. That's why here we have 2 payments. So the total cost is 90,000 rubles. As always, we have advance payment, which is non-refundable. And after that, the second and the last payment is only tied to the result. And the result is to be accepted by the migration authority. So that means that you'll pay this amount after we got accepted. After 4 months, you'll get your VNG, the permanent residence permit. Here you can check the overhead costs, as well as the payment options and our additional services if you would need them. Okay, so stay tuned with Braiden Consulting. We'll be happy to help you to get the VNG.
Thank you for watching our screencast. I hope it was useful and helpful for you. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Telegram channel, and all our social media. Stay tuned.